Then God told him, see Jeremiah, that is right. I was testing you. Now we are ready. I'm going to show you something else. Now what you can see? Then Jeremiah said, I can see a boiling pot and it is facing away from the north. Rising from the north. God was communicating about the calamities going to happen to the land of Israel. There was a reason why God gave that kind of prophecy to Jeremiah. That was not a good prophecy at all. That is clearly mentioned in verse 16. Because they have forsaken me, burned incense to other gods, and worshipped the works of their own hands. See, the Israelites used to worship the living God, are moved away from the Lord. God is looking for a people who are ready to listen to his voice. One day the word of the Lord came to Jeremiah. Jeremiah, arise and go to the potter's house. There I will cause to hear my voice. Bible says that Jeremiah obeyed God's voice. See, from the beginning onwards, God already spoke to Jeremiah. Jeremiah, your task is very simple. Wherever I ask you to travel, you have to travel. And whatever I say to you, you have to say. Jeremiah exactly obeyed the voice of the Lord. Jeremiah never questioned anything to the Lord. He never asked any questions to the Lord. Why should I go to potter's house? What's the necessity to go to the potter's house?